Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you this 986. I was working on the IMS bearing. This one here, I'll be starting the 996 next week. It's all ready to come off. Gearbox back on already on this car here. Everything's back on. Sorry. I just want to show you how clean this engine is compared to before. Everything is clean. I've cleaned everything here. Inside here, all clean. Some you can't get the actual dirt out, but that's as clean as I can get it. Pretty much here, here, here as well. There's a lot of dirt and oil and stuff here as well. Timing is perfect. Look at the timing there. Those two are facing straight up, and those two is the other way around, facing straight up. Alright, it's a special tool for it. I already done the timing test. Checking the timing already. That's all done. Got the new compressor. Clean. I took this stuff here and cleaned everything off. I can't get that off here. Stuck there. You see the pipes clean. Pretty much the top of the engine all clean. I usually do this before I put everything back together. Because I just try my best to make it clean. I'm gonna take the alternator later on. Look at that. Hear that? Bearing's gone on this one. Noisy bearing. There's no one-way clutch on this one, so it's alright. But just want to show you how the cleaning will be done. All done. Nice and clean. There's oil everywhere here. There's oil there. There's oil everywhere. So that's the best we can get it to. Maybe I could do a little bit more, but that's pretty much for the new hose ready. So next week, put the intake manifold. Next week, we're going to break the intake manifold off. Just take this off one by one. Remove one at a time and install one at a time. Pretty much start this side here, and then that side there, and then the middle part later. And then pretty much you put the car back on. Alright, put some caps there. And then the new separator, new hose there, it's too old. Look at that hose, it's very old. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.